This is the application for the Anker SOLIX C300 DC. Here we can see I'm on my devices page. It lists out all the devices that I have. It shows that this is connected via Wi-Fi and that it's at 100%. I can select home and create a home system if I wanted to, not going to. And then down here we also have our profile, which will allow you to have some access to some stuff. We can add a new device simply by pressing the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. But we're going to click into the SOLIX itself here and show you what we can do. Right here, we have a display showing the battery capacity. Right now it's at 100%. It's showing the temperature of the battery and then total input and total output. Right now I don't have anything going, so it's not going to show anything. We do have the ability to turn on and off the carport right from here, and it would show you a chart as to its usage. We can also select end time, so have it run for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. We can customize how long we'd like this to be on, so we can have it time out on its own. And then port status. So we have our two USB-A's, our solar in, and then our USB-C, and then our USB-C's at the bottom. And if I were to plug something in, hypothetically, into one of my USB ports, it'll light up right there and it'll actually show you the output wattage. It also shows you that on the screen itself, and it shows up there the remaining time, which flashed away because I unplugged it. We also have the ability to turn on and off the brightness of the light on top. We can also turn it off right from there. And then we can also power off our screen. The device will still be on, but the screen is not using any battery. So that's everything that we can do for the controls of the C300. If I select the sprocket icon in the upper right-hand corner, this is going to let me do settings for the device. So here we have device timeout. By default, it's at 2 hours, but I can set it to never or as low as 30 minutes. We also have our carport power saving mode. What that is, if I click on that, when the port detects below 3 watts for 5 consecutive hours, it will automatically turn that off. We have our screen brightness. When you power on the device and don't attach it to the application, how's that going to come on? I have it for medium, as well as how long the screen will be on for before it times out. I have it for 30 seconds, but you can go as low as 20 and as high as 30. We also have our light timeout, which is the top. You can have it set for never, which is what I do, and then as low as 30 minutes. Coming down, we have our device name, our Wi-Fi information, our temperature settings, our serial number, which is blacked out, help and feedback, our firmware. So if we need to update our firmware, this is where we would do it from. Restore default settings, and then the user manual. All the way at the bottom, if we need to delete this device, that's how we can do it. And that is everything that we can do in the Anker application for the Anker SOLIX C300 DC.